In this video tutorial, we'll be learning on how to add results in the school management software. It's very easy to do so. Now, there are two ways that we can add our results. It's either you add them one after the other, the subjects, or you import the result. But in this video, we're going to be learning on how to add it one after the other. Now, to do this, from the home page, you click on results. You can either click on results here, or you go to the home page and you click on this result icon. This results here at the left menu, then click on student results. That's one way that we can access it, or we'll click results here and click results here. So these are the two ways to access this page. Now, in this page is the page that shows the students and their result. Now, the first thing you have to do is that you have to select the particular academic session and the class. Now, if you look at this, let's select for GS2 and click on search. It said no student results in results found, result in or result found for GSS2 first term 2024 to 2025. This means that no student has actually been added to that particular session. That's the reason why. So you can watch the video on how to add students and learn how to do that. Now let's select for a class where there are students. Let's select for GS1 and see if there are students here. Now you can see it has brought a list of students. Now there are 20 students for GSS1 first term 2024. Now we're going to, in this video, we're going to learn how to just add for one. Or if you can add for one, you'll definitely be able to add for the others. So how to go about this: select the particular student result you want to add for. Now let's select for this. You click on this icon here. Now the subjects are already there. It's expected that you already have all the subjects added. If you don't see any subject here, it simply means that you have not added the subject. So you go under setup to add your subjects. So you can watch the video on how to do that too. Now, for the result, you can add for CA1, CA2, examination and project. It's not compulsory you fill all of them. If you don't, there's no result for them, don't fill it. But if there's a result, you put the result. Now the result is 0. Person scored 0, you put 0. But if you don't put anything, the program will take it as though there is no result. So now for mathematics, let's say the person got CA 35, English 35. If you write it as 35, what it means is 35%. So let's say something like person got 70%. 70%. Now if it happens that it is not in percent, it's in fraction, what you just simply do is that you can say 5/7. But if you write just 70 or you write just 5, it won't take it as percentage. But something like it knows, the program knows that it is over it is over this. So 5 over this thing, let's call it 5/10. Now this, okay, let's make everything fraction for CA. Then for exam, we would make it this. So let's say over 10. How what the person got in this social studies, he got 10. Let's say 10/20. Yeah, in the doc he got 1/5, and yeah, he got 2/10. That's for CA. The same thing applies if there's CA2, you fill for CA2. Now you can save this if they've not done the exam and come back later to add that of exam or any other part you want to add. So let's save this and see. Now while saving, you wait and allow it save. Now it has saved it for this particular person. You can click back on result here and add for another person. Now you can see that it has added 5 subjects add from that person and go on. Now when it's time for exam, you can click it again and add the exam score. Let's say the exam was in percentage, so you just put the percentage score. Let's say it's scored 70% here, it's scored 90% here. Let's say you didn't do exam for this, you can omit that. Let's say you got 80% here, and let's say you got 95% here. So when done, you click on same save, and it's going to save it. Now it is just bringing this same page back so that you can actually adjust if you want to make adjustment. But if you want to add for another student, either click here or you click on this button. If we click here, it takes us back to this page and we can add for other students. So that is how it is. You can see the name of the student showing here, so you can identify which student it is for. That is how you add result for all your subjects. So in next video, we'll be learning other aspects on the software.